What's going on? It's Scotty Reviews here. I've got a review for a health food / protein bar. One I've been wanting to try for a while by, I'll just show you it now. Muscletech Mission 1. One of the reasons why I wanted to try this out is mainly because it's made by Muscletech. And to be honest, I mean, there's quite a few people that aren't big fans of Muscletech, but to be honest, I don't mind Muscletech. I think they're decent. And I'm honestly a fan of what they've brought out so far anyway. I think it's worked well, especially one called Anabolic Halo, which I was a big fan of. Tech was also really good, the creatine formula, so I was interested to try the Mission 1 protein bar. I mean, just going over the nutritional values here. 42% protein and 68 I'm actually quite confused looking at this actually. I mean, if you look at the back, I don't know if you'll be able to see it really. And basically what it is on the packet is that it says 21 grams of protein, which is 42%, and then it has total carbohydrate 22 grams with 17 grams of dietary fibre, which is 68%, and then 7 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of saturated fat, but the percentages are... Oh wait, yeah, the percentages on the bar are the daily value. Sorry. So yeah, you got 21 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbohydrates, and 7 grams of fat. Which I mean, this protein bar would then have about, off the top of my head, I would say about 40% protein, which is okay, I suppose. I mean, personally speaking, about all my protein bars, I'd rather have about 40 to 60% protein in them. So anyway, once I open the bar up, I'll have a look at the product. I mean, just so you can have a look there. I mean, all honesty, I will compare them to something get out in a minute. I'll just take a bite. As you can see, it takes a lot of chewing. Basically speaking, they do taste really well. I mean, they usually are about £2.50 a bar, so they're not cheap whatsoever. I mean, I've got a box of 4 here, and it was £6.99. Basically, even just by looking at them, I would definitely compare them to Quest bars. They're a bit thicker, and as you can see, they've got protein pieces on the top. Not protein, cookie pieces on the top, I should say. So it's actually a cookies and cream protein bar with actual cookies in, which is nice to see. I mean, it is something a bit different. I said they are quite similar to Quest bars, but I mean, for the price and for the flavour of this specific product, I'd probably just stick with a cookies and cream Quest bar, as the taste just as good. They've probably got better nutritional value. I can't remember it off the top of my head. Better nutritional value, a bit cheaper, and that's it really. I'll probably say the taste very similar, if not maybe a bit better than the Muscletech Muscle 1 bars, but definitely not a bad product. I mean, if they were a bit cheaper, a bit better value for money, I'd probably say these might be better, but they're not, so I'd probably go for Quest bar for this one, but they definitely are nice.